May God bless you with long and happy life.
ਹੈਲੋ ਜਾਨਿਆ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕ ਹੋਵੇ। ਸਾਡੀ ਬੱਚੀ ਹੁਣ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ, ਬੜੀ ਲਾਇਕ ਤੇ ਸਿਆਣੀ ਬੱਚੀ ਹੈ, ਸਭ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਜਲਦੀ ਮਿਕਸ ਅਪ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜਲਦੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਮਿਹਰ ਭਰਿਆ ਹੱਥ ਰੱਖੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤਰੱਕੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਤੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀਆਂ ਕਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਰੱਖੇ।
Birthday to dear Jania, lovely Jania, प्यारी प्यारी जानिया।
May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you.
खुश रहो, खुश रहो, खुश रहो, खुश रहो।
पिता माता की आशीष निमक न बिसरो तुमको हर हर सदा भजो जगदीश। पिता माता की आशीष सतगुरु तुमको होए दयाला। सतगुरु तुमको होए दयाला। संत संग तेरी प्रीत।
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Dushman. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Janu. Dota loves you. Happy birthday to the upcoming superstar. Yeah.
Happy birthday, my favorite Dushman.
I love you.
Wish you a very happy birthday जानू। I love you so much। तुम मेरी बचपन से ही जाने, जब से मैंने को जोई जितना पकड़ा था। And now I feel so proud of you। I still remember you dancing on मैंने पायल है झनकारी on पायल दीदी's wedding। And now when I look at you, I feel super proud। You're such a multi-talented girl of a family। And I'm sure Zoe will look up to you for everything in life। Love you so much।
देख जानू, मुझे तो गन पॉइंट पे ये विश करवाया जा रहा है, ठीक है? फिर भी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, सो टू दैट यू फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट एंड यू कीप प्लेइंग लूडो विद अस मोर ऑफन एंड हम तुझे और ज़्यादा हरा सके।
How mean।
लव यू
But
बच्चे,
we love you and
Happy
Zoe,
birthday.
Zoe loves you too, and a special wish from Zoe is coming right away। Zoe, Happy, happy birthday Janya Didi, happy birthday Didi, happy birthday Didi।
I love you so much and I'm so proud of you and I'm so lucky to have you as my sister.
Happy, happy birthday, Janya. God bless you always. Have fun. Enjoy yourself.
Happy birthday Janya. We love you. Take care.
Happy birthday, Janya. You my darling, darling niece, and I'm your real chachu.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Janya. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Come to Bombay soon. God bless you.
स्मार्ट लग रहा हूँ यार मैं, क्या कहने मतलब। हाय जानू, सो यू गेट वन डे इन अ ईयर जिसमें मैं तेरी बेइज्जती नहीं करूँगा। सो आई हैड रिजर्व दैट डे फॉर योर बर्थडे, बट ओके दिस ईयर आई विल गिव यू टू। सो वन इज़ टुडे व्हेन आई एम मेकिंग द वीडियो एंड वन इज़ ऑन योर बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे जानू, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एग्जिस्टिंग एंड बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर फैमिली। You honestly light up my Instagram feed and life with your presence, your dancing and singing videos. You're extremely talented, so do not let that go ever, even if you turn 80। 15 साल की हो गई है ब्रो, मतलब वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा उम्र होती है, बुढ़ी तो हो गई है थोड़ी अब मैं कहूँगा, बट ओके इट्स ओके। यू हैव अ वेरी कूल मामू who will always make you feel very young, and we'll have lots and lots of crazy times in Mumbai। Yeah, okay, bye, happy birthday।
Happy birthday, Janya. Thanks for always being there for me and fighting me. Keep dancing, keep singing. Take care, stay safe.
Happy birthday, Rockstar. Keep on rocking. Yeah. One of the most talented people in the family. Actually, the most talented person in the family. तू मुंबई आ रही है.
Happy birthday, Janya. I love the time we had together with Rishit, you and me in Lonavala and Mahabaleshwar. Hope I can see you again in our next trips.
I saw your dance. They were awesome. Keep dancing. They were really awesome. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Janya.
Happy birthday, dear Janya. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you with all the happiness of the world, my doll. You are the super talented kid of our house. God bless you always. Party hard, enjoy your day, and Masi loves you and misses you a lot.
Happy birthday, Janya. You're already so amazing at everything you do. So all the best for everything you try to pursue ahead.
Janya Didi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Janya Didi. Have a great 15. I love your talent for dancing and singing. And I hope it will stay forever. I'm sure. Bye. Bye.
A wish from us to Janya on her 15th birthday. जीवत 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 रहो, जीवत रहो, जीवत रहो. राम रसायन नित उठ पीवो, हर 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 रसना कहो. जीवत रहो, सहज पदारथ गुरमुख लहो. प्रभु का पाणा सत कर सहो.
Happy birthday, Janya. God bless you. इतना ही हंसती टकदी रहे.
Happy birthday, Janya Didi.
Happy birthday, Janya. Happy
birthday, Janya Didi.
पे बैठे बैठे how was your day?
लॉकडाउन है, सब बंद है, पर बर्थडे अच्छे से मनाना, क्योंकि मैंने अपने भाई का बर्थडे बहुत अच्छे से मनाया. हमने केक काटा और पूरा बर्थडे फैमिली के साथ मनाया. आप भी अपनी फैमिली के साथ मनाया.
केक कुरियर करना मत भूलना.
और बर्थडे फोटोज भी भेजना.
बाय बाय.
Hey Janya, happy birthday. I've known you since you were born. Weird, right? I've known you more than most of your friends. I'm lying. But you're my little sister. Happy birthday. I'm damn proud of you. You're slowly becoming a woman. You're growing up. That's really weird for me in many ways. You're so little once. Not that little, but like thoda bahut. I babysat you. When all the adults were partying in the other room, the women were sitting up. You've grown up a lot. Proud of you for your dancing and pursuing some sort of art. Expression is hard. You're becoming an adult slowly, but you're growing up as a teenager right now. It's confusing, it's COVID, and everything is different for a moment. It won't last long, the part of childhood. I hope you enjoy it. It's really nice to see you grow up into such a smart person. You're the hope for the next generation, because that's how I see you, like my little sister. Happy birthday. Here's another year, and I'm proud of you.
Again, happy birthday, Janya Didi.
Happy birthday,
Janya Didi.
Happy birthday to the super talented girl Janya.
You're amazing in every way. Happy birthday and have lots of fun.
Make your lockdown birthday the most memorable one. Wishing you tons of happiness and dher sara pyar. Love you.
Hi, my darling girl. A very happy birthday, Janya. I'm so happy to see you growing as such a beautiful and a graceful girl. It's such a delight to see you dancing and continuing your dance journey, which is such an important part of your life right now. And I wish wherever, whatever you decide, or wherever your heart belongs. I wish that abundance comes to you this life and continue being that happy, bubbly child. Just ma'am definitely loves you, and also a lot of love from your Dacha family. Stay crazy, okay? And enjoy your birthday. Blessings and love, lots and lots. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Jania baby. A very happy birthday to our dancing doll, to our singing doll. May all your dreams come true. May God bless you with health, wealth, happiness, prosperity, long life. Even sky is not the limit for you, darling. You are the one who has to break the glass ceiling. I have a lot of expectations from you. It's so heartening to see a little girl growing into a fine lady, a good human being. Keep it up. Have a great day. Enjoy your birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे जान्या. सो आई couldn't make it. मम्मा ने कहा था कि बठिंडे जाना है तो अब जाना पड़ेगा, बट मम्मा कह रही नेक्स्ट वीक मिलाना. बट ऑन दिस स्पेशल डे आई वांटेड टू टेल यू दैट यू आर अ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन ऑफ माई लाइफ. यू हैव ऑलवेज बिन देयर फॉर मी टू लिसन टू माई प्रॉब्लम्स, द दुखरेज, द गुड पार्ट, द बैड पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. You're like family to me, a sister I've always wanted but I never really could get. And on this day I want to tell you that may God bless you. मेरा आशीर्वाद सदा तुम्हारे साथ है, and I really do hope that one day you become a very successful dancer, and you know you should, because you're a very good dancer. But yeah, and yeah, we fight sometimes because yeah, we're sisters, but we're supposed to fight. But yeah, and like you know, मेरा गालियाँ निकालने का बड़ा मन कर रहा है, बट आई एम श्योर अंकल आंटी भी ये वीडियो देखेंगे तो यू नो अच्छा इंप्रेशन नहीं बनता. बट या एनीवेज, happy birthday once again, and I really do hope that you miss me, because you know I'm your sister, you're supposed to miss me. Anyways, happy
birthday Janya. We all wish abundant happiness and love for you, to the sweetest girl we ever know. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Janya. Stay home, stay safe.
Happy birthday Janya. You are my sister from another parent. You always cared me as your younger brother. May God bless you and fill your life with more success and happiness. Bye.
To others, you may be Janya Singh, but to me, you are the biggest blessing. You have been my friend, my sister, and my brother too, and that's why I love you. You are my partner in crime. It would be same for the whole life. You are my bestie. Without you, the world feels empty. You dance with grace, and the way you sing is amazing. You made me smile every while. With you, I wish to travel each mile. You are my lifeline. I wish you may succeed and shine. A very, very happy birthday, sister. Many, many happy returns of the day. I love you.
Hi Janya, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Janya. Happy birthday to you. Love you beta. God bless you.
Happy birthday Janya. I pray that God blesses you with all the happiness in this universe. May you shine and prosper wherever you go. We both love you a lot and miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Janya. Happy birthday to you. God bless.
And say hi. You want to say hi to Janya Didi? Hi. Okay, she says hi too. And you are so graceful. I'm your fan. I watch all your videos. So stay as charming as you are. Thank you. Love you. Bye-bye.